On this episode, I tell you how you can use lights to protect your home. Alright guys, welcome back for another episode of Simone TV. Glad you can join me again. And on tonight's episode, I want to talk to you about protecting your home. Now there's a lot of different ways to protect your home, but what topic I want to talk about tonight is how you can use lights to protect your home. Now the first way you can use lights is external sensor lights. Now, on the outside of your home, generally you may have a spotlight at the front of your home. If you hook this up to a sensor motion light that it detects sensors, it can be a great way to utilize for safety. Now for a number of reasons. Safety for maybe when you're driving in at night, the lights can go on so you can actually see where you're going. And also too, if someone does approach your house, then the flickering of the lights turning on may scare them and deter them away. Now obviously with the sensor lights, you can have them so they just stay on, you can have them so they just stay off, and you also can have the option of utilizing them with the sensor. So don't think you have to have the sensor on all the time. You will have three different options: on, off, and as the sensor. So having the sensor light at the front of your house is a great way to utilize lights to sort of keep your house protected and safe. Now guys, you can also do this at the back of your house as well too, hooking it up to a sensor. If someone tries to, come in to your home, you got to think, guys, just the, them being not aware that the sensor light's going to come off. They think everything's all dark. They try and approach somewhere, bang, the sensor light goes off and it scares them away. It's a very, very, very good tip and a simple way for you to utilize lights to protect your home. So guys, with sensor lights, while we're on the topic of that, you can have them throughout your sort of home as, safety for yourself, as in not to trip. So definitely a sensor light inside the garage is definitely, a way to add safety. So when you drive into your garage, the sensor light goes off and you guys can actually see what you can actually do. So it's more for safety for you guys being able to see, and also deterring off anyone who's trying to break in to your home. Now guys, I'd love to know in the comments below, what ways did you use to protect your home? There's a whole bunch of different ways you can utilize to protect your home. Lighting, more in particular sensor lighting, is obviously a good way to deter intruders from entering into your home. Alright guys, if you know anyone who'd be interested in learning a little bit more about protecting their home, then definitely tag them in the comments below, and I will see you same time, same place next week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.